In this activity, you guys are asked to work with these data tables and create scatter plots and then draw curves of best fit. So you can do this using either Excel or Desmos. So I thought I would create two videos to show you how to create scatter plots and lines of best fit using either of those two options. So we'll start with using Excel. So I've got the website open here and I've got my Excel window open here. And the first thing you have to do in Excel is just copy over the data table. So for the first practice question you're given here, we have a student who's new to Canada who is learning English in an ESL class. And in the first column we've got the days that this student is in ESL. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the next column we have the number of English words that they've learned. And on day 1 they learned 3, day 2 they learned 12, then 27, 45, and 110. Okay, so now that I've got my table copied over, I don't need the website anymore, so I'll just expand Excel here. And in order to plot these points on a graph, in Excel all you have to do is highlight the data table that you're interested in plotting, then go to Chart, and under Chart you're going to go to Scatterplot, then you're going to create a scatterplot. So now I've got all of my points plotted on a graph here, and because I'm only dealing with one set of data, I probably don't need a legend. So I'll delete this series legend and I'll expand that. Okay, and as well, my graph should have a few different titles on it. So we're going to go to Chart Layout. So under Chart Layout, we'll go to the Axes titles. For my horizontal axes, that's the days in ESL. And for the vertical axes, that's the number of English words. Okay. Now next I'm asked to draw a curve of best fit. So in Excel, what you're going to do to draw a curve of best fit is you're going to highlight the data, and then you're going to go again under Chart Layout to Trend Line. So under Trend Line you've got a few options, and Excel is asking you, do you want this to be a straight line or an exponential curve, or so on or so on. Now what you're going to want to do in the quadratics unit is under Trend Line Options, you're going to choose a power trend line, because all of these curves that you're going to be dealing with in this unit are quadratic curves, so they're all raised to the exponent 2. Okay, then we'll hit OK, and there is your graph with all of your points plotted and your line of best fit.